In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct an envelope in DocuSign. Understanding how to make corrections to envelopes in DocuSign can be incredibly useful, whether you've made a small mistake in your document or need to update information before sending. Let's take a step-by-step journey through this process. First off, you'll want to start by heading over to DocuSign. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the DocuSign homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, simply enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which acts as your control center for managing documents. Next, look for the Agreements tab on the interface. This is typically located in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on this tab to bring up a comprehensive list of all your current and past agreements. These agreements are essentially the envelopes that you've sent or are in the process of sending. With your agreements in view, the next step involves selecting the specific envelope you'd like to correct. Carefully browse through your list until you find the document in question. This step may take a little time if you have a large number of envelopes, so be sure to utilize any sorting or searching tools provided by DocuSign. Next, once you've pinpointed the correct envelope, you'll notice 3 small dots beside it. Clicking on these dots reveals a drop-down menu. This menu includes several actions you can perform on the envelope. Here, you'll see the option to correct the envelope, which is exactly what we need to proceed with. After selecting Correct, you're taken to a new page where you can view details about the envelope. This is your chance to double-check the file itself, review the recipient's information, and ensure the message accompanying your envelope is accurate. Take your time here to confirm all details. It's crucial to make sure everything's as it should be before moving on. When you're certain everything is in order, click on the Next button. Doing so will transport you to the editing page. This is where any necessary corrections should be made right within the document. Adjust text fields, reposition elements, or even add new information as needed. It's essentially your opportunity to make the document perfect. Finally, if you're satisfied with your edits and everything looks good, there's one last step to solidify your changes. Locate the blue button labeled Correct and give that a click. This action saves your alterations, ensuring the corrected document is ready to be sent. And there you have it, a straightforward process for correcting an envelope in DocuSign. By following these steps, you'll ensure your documents are accurate and professional before they reach their intended recipients. Thanks for tuning in.